Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Madic tokens from your Arculus wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Madic, short for Madic, is the fuel for the Polygon network, making transactions faster and cheaper. Whether you're cashing out or just moving assets, this process is simpler than you might think. First things first, make sure you have your Arculus wallet set up and funded with Madic, and that you have a verified account on Bitrue. Always double-check for the latest updates, as crypto platforms evolve quickly. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app on your device. Navigate to your Madic holdings. Look for the Polygon Network tab to ensure you're on the right chain. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button. Before you proceed, you'll need the deposit address from Bitrue. Head over to the Bitrue website or app, log in, and go to the deposit section for Madic. Copy that address carefully, double-check it to avoid any mishaps. Now, back in Arculus, paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Madic you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which are usually pretty low on Polygon. Review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. It should show up in your Bitrue account within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Pro tip: in 2025, with enhanced security protocols, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Madic from Arculus to Bitrue. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.